said it. Get ready for some fairy magic.
Magic flowers do magic
things.
things.
Cause this guy is the big cheese.
So, where's the magic?
Oh, it already happened.
Well, what was it?
A love spell.
A love spell?
Yes, the next person that sees you will fall madly in love with you.
Don't you just love love? I mean, she's so lovable.
Good luck.
This is silly. They weren't magical at all. But I do feel a little different. Kinda airy.
Make way for the queen!
Over hill, over dale, over park, over pale, over things that's growing green, I am Squeaksadia, Mousy Queen.
Ooh!
You!
Me?
You are the one I have searched for my whole life through.
Really?
I am honest and for true, I think I may love you.
Wow, she's in love with me. The magic worked. Those must have been real fairies after all.
Now, my love, you are so sweet, so it is time for me to eat.
Oh, you want to go out to eat? Okay. Well, what do you want? Burgers? Pasta? Chimichangas?
No tacos, pizza, or beef stew. I'd prefer to dine on you.
Me? But I thought you loved me.
I love you more than any king, for cheese is thus my favorite thing.
Cheese? This is crazy talk. Stay away from me, you cuckoo queen. Ah! Ah! Oh no! I am cheese. Those fairies must have magically changed me into cheese. And now that queen wants to eat me.
You are not for me only. I need to feed my whole family. Okay?
Family.
Cheese! Hooray!
Ah! Cheese! Yikes! Ah! Cheese! Ah! I need to turn back into myself. Where are those magical fairies? Fairies!
Happy Midsummer! Oh, it's just you.
Yes, it's me. Only it's not really me, because now I'm a cheese thanks to you. And I need you to turn me back right now.
Turn you back? Why?
Because those mice want to eat me. What do I do?
Well, if you want to reverse the spell, you need to think of a midsummer solution.
Midsummer solution?
Yes, think, Ronald the Cheese. How can you feed a lot of hungry mice in midsummer?
Midsummer is the time when everything is growing.
Yes!
And when things grow, there's enough for everyone to eat.
Right!
So the mice could eat all the wonderful things that grow in midsummer.
Bingo!
Ba-bam!
Now our dining time has come. It's time for cheese. Yum, yum, yum.
Wait, Your Majesty. I know of something even better to eat.
But it will be bliss to eat a big purple Swiss.
Oh, no, it won't. Follow me.
What are these wondrous things you're showing? It seems like veggies that are growing.
There are veggies growing, and lots of fruits, too, because it's midsummer, and that's when everything grows.
You heard him, mice, what he doth say. Let's eat produce this midsummer day. This is better than my wildest wishes. I declare midsummer delicious!
Toot the bugle, sound the drummer. He knows the treasures of midsummer.
I'm me again. I'm me. Ronald is back. Oh, thank you, Midsummer. Thanks for all that you grow. Ooh, fairies. You got big.
Ronald, fairies.
And you no longer want to eat me.
I can say without a bit of hesitation that that is absolutely true.
Then there's only one thing to say. Happy Midsummer!
Happy Midsummer!
Now come on, let's go look for fairies.